Heat pump technology has advanced a lot in recent years, making it possible to stay warm and cozy even in Valparaiso's freezing temperatures. A heat pump keeps you comfortable in cold conditions down to negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, our ductless heat pumps warm your home in temperatures as low as negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit. In regions where winters are harsh, heat pumps can be paired with furnaces for more energy. Efficient heating, when outdoor temperatures drop too low for heat pumps to operate effectively, the furnace will help generate the heat. This is called a dual fuel system, and it's an energy efficient and cost-effective way to stay comfortable, no matter what's happening outside. To learn more about heat pumps, contact Crown Wheele HVAC, Valparaiso's Brand dealer. Crown Wheele, keeping Valparaiso safe and comfortable since 1946.